Hello everyone, it's Nutan Deep and welcome back to my channel. So, I want to just share you this thing that you are very well aware of this fact that English is not a language nowadays. It has become a skill and anyone can learn this. So, what are the ways to learn this skill? First of all, acknowledge this that where you are right now, meaning where you stand in learning English. So just don't beat about the bush and let's come to the point. The thing is, if you are having basic grammar knowledge and day to day vocabularies, then that's it. That's it to start a conversation. Having said that, if you are not the guts, you're not having that guts, that courage to talk in English and you feel shy out of fear maybe, and you're not feeling that confident to start a conversation, then it's all futile, it's all of no use. You just need to just put yourself in such situation in which you have to talk in English, or else there is no point indulging yourself in learning so much English grammar or vocabularies. It will never get you results. Passively, you are doing all the things. You're not doing it actively, you are not doing it practically. You have to excel in this language, and for this, you have to start from zero level. You have to start to learn this language. And how can you do this? So, here I want to say this that you need to take it so friendly and learn this language with the affinity, and just don't fear about this language that because sometimes it happens, and it happened with me many a times earlier. I i used to feel so fear. I used to be fearful while speaking or while starting a conversation in English. So these are the reason, and by having lots of such reasons, such negative reasons, fear or the fear of hesitation or anything else, we are not being able to start a conversation in English. So you need to remove such sort of negativity from your mind, and it will happen. The day will definitely come when you will have the command over English language, and you'll have to start from zero level, and it starts from learning. You have learned lots of grammar rules and vocabularies, so now it's the time to start to do speaking practicing. And when you fill your mind with lots of vocabularies and you go for a hunt to learn lots of vocabularies, concrete vocabularies, somehow you start getting far away from this language. You feel like it's a burden. It seems like a burden to you, and you feel pressurized when it comes to start a conversation, and you will try to get away. You will try to escape from such situation in which you have to talk in English, and it will definitely happen because you are just filling your mind with lots of vocabularies, lots of grammar rules. Don't indulge in lots of grammar rules. Basic grammar rules, knowing that is enough. So when you learn English with the affinity and without any fear, you start conversation in English. That's when you'll feel like excitement, and you feel like motivated. And when you become motivated, so what next? Nothing. That's all you wanted. So I want to say this that immersing yourself to learn only grammar rules and searching or hunting words, new concrete words, will never get you that result that you wanted it earlier. So it all depends on your feeling, how you feel while learning English, before speaking in English. How do you feel at that moment before starting a conversation? Do you feel fear? Are you fearful before speaking in English? If this happen with you, this sort of things happen with you, then something is missing. The speaking practicing. The more you do your speaking practicing, day to day speaking practicing, the better you become in learning English. So just don't immerse yourself in hunting words and seek such situations or chances in which you are having to talk in English. If you do so, if you feel like, yes, now this is the time has come and I have to talk in English, then you can assume this that okay, I have the command over English language and I can excel in this language. Apart from this, I want to say this that starting from the fear of learning English and removing it, as well as gradually getting off the clouds of fear, and that's when you have the chance, you have the situation in which you have to talk in English. So always feel like this, you have to just remove your fear of getting hesitated, fear of getting stumble, these sort of things you have to remove from your mind. Just think positive about your learning English and try to make ways to speak out your thoughts in English. So that's all for today. Stay tuned. Thank you.